Hi everyone, David Maley here from Tech Know-How, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mortgage data calculator really quick and easy. It'll give you mortgage payments, interest, costs, and more. So let's get started. So this is a quick table that I've created here, and we're going to start off with just going down the items here. It's very simple. First one is the original loan amount. What is your mortgage? So the average mortgage price in America right now is $495,000. So let's put that in there. And then we've got the annual interest rate. Well, right now, the annual average interest rate is 7.45% on term in years. The average term for a mortgage is going to be 30 years. Yes, there are some people that get 15-year or 20-year mortgages, but I would say 99% of mortgages are 30-year mortgages. So let's do that. Down payment. In this case, we're going to use $20,000. Now, the thing is, keep in mind, if you have less than 20% of the amount of the mortgage down, you will have something called private mortgage insurance. And that's what this is right here. So if you have, in this case, we're definitely below that. So private mortgage insurance, in this case, the average in the U.S. is 0.8%. It goes anywhere from 0.4% on up to 1.5%, depending on numerous factors. So we'll use the average is 0.8%. We'll put that in here. And then we have total interest rate. Right? So the total interest rate is very simple. We have to take this. So we're going to take this and add them together. That's very simple. So we just equal this plus this. Right? So that's our total interest rate of 8.25%. Then we need our monthly mortgage payment. Now this is where it gets interesting. So to get our monthly mortgage payment, what we're going to do is use something called the payment function equals PMT. And then we've got, when we put that in, we got to have the rate, number of payments, the present value, and the type. So let's go through this, okay? So first we're going to have our total interest rate, this, right? And we're going to take that divided by 12. So we're going to take our interest rate for the year divided by 12 because we want to get monthly payments. So we're going to have that divided by 12. Then next, what we want to have is the term. So the term would be, in this case, 30 years, which is up here, right? So we could put this, we could put that times, there's the sign right there, times 12, which is 12 payments per year. And next, what we have to do is do total. So it's not going to be this, right? Because we put 20,000 down. So you have to have this minus this, right? So we're putting it's $475,000 basically, if you want to put it that way. But that's basically, we have to put that in there. And then the type, which in this case is, it's going to be at the end of the month. So that's what the 0 is. You have end of the month, first of the month, and 0 is just your regular mortgage. So we hit enter there, and we have a negative. Now, the reason why it's automatically negative in Excel is because it's seen as a deduct or a payment, an outgoing payment. So it's seen as negative. We can make that positive if we want, just by putting a negative right in front of it. And if we hit that, then we got a payment like that. Now, the total cost of the mortgage, let's do this, equals the payment times the term, which is right here. And then we have times how many months in the year, right? So 12, or you could say times 360, same thing. And the total interest cost, what is our total interest cost going to be? So our total interest would be equals this minus this minus this. So we've got our total interest would be the total amount of the mortgage minus the initial cost of the loan minus the down payment. 769,665.89. That's how you do that. We've got our original loan amount, our annual interest rate, our term, our down payment, our PMI, our total interest rate, how much you're going to pay based on an interest rate, including PMI, on your mortgage, and how much your mortgage payment is going to be monthly, including both interest and the principal. Hope you found this interesting and informational. It's a quick way to go and see and build your own calculator for mortgages in Excel.